Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be talking about our performance task, which is about making your own website with Wix. This is a website which Reese and I created. So without further ado, let me give you an overview of what our website looks like and what is it for. So first of all, our website is 3D printing. Now, let me take you to the About section. This section will tell you more about our website, about our team, and everything that you need to know about the background of the people who created this website. So, what is 3D printing? 3D printing is a way of making three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file. In an additive process, an object is created by laying down successive layers of material until the object is created. It enables you to produce complex shape using less material than traditional manufacturing methods. So, who invented 3D printing? Hideo Kodama invented 3D printing in Japan in the early 1980s, which is when it first became widely used. The original iterations were created as a rapid prototyping system utilizing photosensitive resin that was polymerized by UV light using a layer-by-layer method. So Kodama was frequently cited as the inventor of current SLA printing. So now we know who created 3D printing. So what are the advantages and disadvantages? 3D printing brings a revolutionary approach to manufacturing through three key advantages: short lead time, design freedom, and lower costs. So, what is our core values? Our core values is: first is innovation, second is transparency, third is accessibility. So let's go back to the main page. So why choose 3D printing? Cutting edge printers, durable high quality materials, bespoke service, and experienced advisor service. So about us. So I am Josefina Barro, and this is my partner Reese Izzy Cabahug. Reese and I decided to make this blog about 3D printing for our performance task in APP1, or Empowerment of Technology. So the possibilities are endless, and here you can see your contacts, like be in the know menu, or follow us on other accounts. So that's it. Alright, so if you're in need of 3D services, just go ahead and type in your browser www.wix.com. Thank you for watching, guys, and by the way, I thank my partner Reese for making this thing happen. So thank you. So bye, guys.